Hello YouTube, this is Slender Spartan back with my third Ultraman unboxing. If you remember about, I don't know, I want to say it was like a month ago? Nah, I wouldn't say that long ago, but it's been a few weeks. It might have been a month. I did a unboxing video with, now I have my Godzilla figure box next to me, Godzilla Ultraman, yada yada. I unboxed, and find them there for a second, sorry guys. These two. It would probably help if you could see the one. And you still can't see it. Sorry guys. This guy. Actually, I think you can see better now without the light there. The camera's a bit blurry, but I unboxed these two, and I did say there would be another unboxing. So, here I have another one. It's another Japanese import. It's from the exact same toy company. You guys can't read this, I don't think, but it's got the green sticker. I don't have the pack of the old one, but you know, we'll keep these two up there, and in fact, two more because I unboxed them too. Keep these four guys out. They're like our honorary guests. This will actually, instead of getting two guys, I'll be getting one. There's one more thing coming in the mail, but with let's stop hesitating, delaying, whatever you want to say, and open it. Okay. That actually opened rather easy. Hold on. Now, this box here, I use a box as my stand. I might have to lower this. The reason I showed that is I got that from Amazon too. Hopefully I can get a few more Ultraman things. See, you might be wondering, well, Slendy, sorry guys, if you're such a big Godzilla fan, geez, that did not want to, and I hit the camera like 3 times. If you're such a big Godzilla fan, why do you keep getting Ultraman stuff the Ultra 500 stuff in the mail? It's just because it's cheap. It's, you know, convenient. Okay, hold on. There we go. And for proof that this came from Japan, Japanese. If any of you guys can read that, let me know what it says. I think they have like Japanese movie titles here. Okay, that's cool. They had car. Ooh, this one. Oh, this might have my thing in it. And who is it? I don't know if any of you guys recognize him. It is it's an Ultraman monster named Alien Zeton. I actually watched his fight against Ultraman. That was cool. You guys know that I like to cut off the tags on camera. That one rather well. In fact, and just to show you there's nothing left in the box, It's an empty box now. So I'll just throw that. I always get rid of this part. I don't need it. But I do... Oh, hey. I threw it right in my Godzilla box. I do keep this, and again, just for a little bit further proof. We obviously have Alien Zeton. Or no, is it? No, sorry, it's not Alien Zeton. It's Alien Baton. Alien Zeton. No, it's Ultra Zeton. Sorry, guys. Alien Baton. Baton? Baton. Anyways, here's the other one. Silvergons. I will save his for Salamander. Lagros. And my personal favorite card, Ultraman. So, as you see, save those. Anyways, here's Alien Baton. I still got one more of these guys coming in the mail. These are cool. He's got the same articulation as Ultraman. I'll do another video of him. But size comparison time. So here's him with our honorary member Ultraman. Then we'll also do Lagros because they're the two special ones. And then because it's kind of needed, Ultraman, you can move over there. So can you. Gigan. And I've started using Gigan in all of my videos because... Sorry guys. Started using Gigan in all my videos because of Godzilla and Gigan. It's a little bit of a... like a... hey, you know, thanks for checking out my videos. So... you can see there's actually... and, you know, we'll throw him back in. There's a nice kind of size difference. I know he's an Ultra 500, so he's supposed to scale in with Ultraman. I think he does that well, but I think it would just look a lot better if he was, like, that tall. Or at least this tall. Tall enough to match up with Gigan. And now he's falling. Okay, guys, well, just throw these all back in my bin. Thank you all for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. Let me know how I can make my channel better. If, oh, before I end this, I just realized this. His face kind of looks like a dog. I mean, look. You got the nose, you got the little face thing, and then you got the eyes. It's like a dog. He's going at the camera. Anyways, yeah. So please comment, rate, and subscribe. Let me know how I can make my channel better. If you want to see, want me to check out your channel and possibly subscribe. Okay, that's weird. I have my window open, so if you want me to subscribe to your channel, let me know in the comments below. And yeah. Okay, guys. You know what? This is annoying me. So, okay, Greg, who falls because Greg's a failure. If you guys, again, watch Godzilla and Gigan, you'll understand why I named him Greg. Again, shout out to him. And then, we'll get Gigan, because Gigan's cool. Anyways, so thank you for watching. And, yeah. See ya next time. Oh, and sorry, one more thing before I end the video. I'm going to be uploading more Pokemon Crystal. I think I did 8 videos, and then I have a video about it. The series ended up ending because all my save files for that game got deleted, like, completely. the website deleted all of my stuff off, and so I have to start over completely. So I might do another Pokemon series, but I'm definitely not going to do Crystal, so I apologize for that. And then also more Balloon Tower Defense videos will be coming out. I need to do Ultraman reviews. I actually haven't done any Ultraman review, but I don't have a set. So yeah. Until next time, guys, keep collecting Godzilla stuff or whatever you like collecting. If you have a idea for a free computer game you want me to play, let me know in the comments below. And yeah, see you soon, guys. Bye.